Right now, we have the most valuable asset on earth on our side, time, but it's running out.
We have control of our minute, our hour, our day, our week, our month, and our year.
It's later in life. As you look back on your life, the windows of opportunity has closed. Your ability is no longer present. And you think back that you could have been great. Right now, you had the ability to never have that debate inside your head. Because that's the debate you can never win. Everyone's like, oh, Greg, you're lucky, you got the cover. You got this, Greg, you're lucky, everything you do is luck. Bullshit! Because before it was luck, it was a belief. And every day with no one watching at 5 in the morning, by myself, I trained it because I believed in it. Then I mastered it. No, I remastered it in hopes that one day my trained ability collided with an opportunity to show it off.
You will always be in control of your destiny.
It's all you.
But ladies and gentlemen, go into action with your dream. And don't avoid where the fights are. Get in the midst of the fight. Get knocked down so you can learn how to fight, so you can hold your position.
The other thing that's worst case scenario is fear. For many of you guys, it robs you of your true potential. Why is that? Because it's a parasite. It feeds off you, the host. Its fuel is confident. When fear comes into your body, it's at its weakest state. You could kill it right there in a second, but you don't. You turn your back to it.
What's the benefit of allowing fear to hold you back? What's the benefit of giving up on yourself, of not stepping out on life and taking life on? What is the benefit for you? What's the plus in that? You've got to ask yourself, how long am I going to allow this to hold me back?
And right now, you guys are sitting there. And to make that first step is the hardest step.